a big round of applause, Mr. Barry Hilton, for bringing me out here. He is one of the greatest comedians I have ever seen in my life, man. Anyone who can stand on stage for 2 hours and not swear is totally world class. Seriously. Anyone who cannot swear for 2 hours is totally world class. But fuck that, I don't do that shit. I tell it like it is, so if you're offended by swearing or profanity, best you fuck off now. Harry will be on in about an hour, you can come back then. It is so cool to be in your country, man. There's a few weird things here that I didn't expect, you know. What's with the ice in the urinals? Every bar I go into, they stick ice in the piss trough. What the fuck? Seriously, I haven't had a drink with ice in it since I got it. Would you like ice? No. See what you do with the ice. The garden route, came down the garden route, saw the big tree. You guys seen the big tree? Oh, wow. Me and my girlfriend went down there, 12 rand to see the big tree. Oh my God, I'm so glad she was wearing her panty liner. Because when she got there, she pissed herself laughing. It's not a big tree! Jesus Christ, she said, darling, if they're charging 12 rand to see that big tree, we should charge 100 rand and show them your cock. Because it's huge. I love your country, seriously. I've been to some really cool places. We went to Lasidi village, your cultural village. We got taken around the cultural village by one of your, a relative actually, a 5th generation relative of Shaka Zulu. Shaka Zulu. Big cut, man, this boy was cut. You know, he had all of the feathers and had one of those impy spears with ostrich feathers on it, and he was throwing it. And like when he threw it, it went for miles. And we were like, whoa, dude. And then he went round and, like, you know, they try and teach you the language because there's 5 different tribes at the Lasidi village, and they teach you all the languages, you know, and they do that click talk, you know. See, when I say it's gay. When he says it's like comes from his balls, you know what I'm saying? It's a very deep sound, you know. When I say it, it sounds gay, you know. I sound like the gayest impy in the tribe. I sound like Nathaniel, don't I? When I threw the spear, it didn't go foo, foo, foo. It went